In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the DMSS application to your Android TV even without the Google Play Store application on your Android TV. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you don't have Google Play Store, go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. Then in your search box, you're going to type in DMSS app. Here's it over here, DMSS app, and then you're going to get a result like this, and this is how you can install the application. Just click on it here, and you're going to get the install button, and all you have to do is to click on install, and the application is going to start installing straight away to your Android TV. And that's how you can install it even if you don't have the Google Play Store application installed on your Android TV. The first option doesn't work. They can try third-party sites like this, but most of the times they don't really work, or the applications are not the best like the ones like the first option, but they can still do the work for you. So here's the application here. You can come over here and you can install the application without any issues. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.